Hi, in this video, we're going to have a look at labels. What are labels in JIRA? Why would you use a label? Well, imagine this scenario. You have these three tasks, and they're all related to the same topic. It's really easy right now to say, okay, I don't need any special identifier. I have three tasks. I know they're related to the same topic. But what about in 6 months? When you will have hundreds and hundreds of tickets, labels are the solution to such an issue. Labels in JIRA are, let's say, free for all. You can define whatever label you want. And the labels that you create are also available for all the JIRA users. So let's say now we gave this test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 label. And if we want to add a label to another ticket, we see already it's suggested to us here. Important, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is different from, let's say, test and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are two different labels. In case, for example, here you wanted to write test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and made a space, and it created two different labels, you can delete the labels and just go back to our test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as I mentioned before, you can identify or you can find all these issues by using the label. As we can see here, this label seems to be like a link. So if we click it, we see JIRA search for all the items in all our projects which have that label, and it showed it to us. Pretty neat, right? One other thing is you can have multiple labels, as we saw before. So we can have test here, and let's say test here as well, test 1. And in case we have this label, we click it, we see it only shows us the items which have this label. This is all about labels, which I wanted to show you. In the next video, we'll have a look at exports. And then we're going to have a look at this screen here, because I'm pretty sure I made you curious what this is. See you in the next one.